Hey guys, so today I have with me this ball looking like camera Samsung Gear 360 which I bought a few days back. So in this video I'm going to tell you about that how you can download the Gear 360 Action Director software in your laptop so that you can stitch your photos and videos in the software. I really had a hard time finding that software and I couldn't even find it. I'll give the link of the software in the description and show you how you can get it activated and start your videos. When I asked my friend, he told me that you can find the software on the Samsung official website. So I'll go to their website and you can choose whichever model you have. I have the 2016 version, so I'll choose that. And here I'll go to manuals and software. But as you can see, it says there are no files available. You can contact us if you want any support. He also told me to sign in and try it, so I'll sign in. Now I have signed in, so it still doesn't show it here. It still says there are no files available. I'll try refreshing it and it doesn't go. So even after logging into the Samsung website, I was still not able to download the software. I couldn't even find the link to it. So I'll still give you the link in the description so you can download your Action Director. And I'll show you some few steps before you install your software. Just download it and keep it aside. Don't install it. You need to go through some steps before, and even going through the steps before, you need to delete your Visual Studio redistributable files from 2013 version. After you uninstall those 2013 versions, I'll give you 3 of the other ones that you can install in your Windows, and then you need to follow through these 7-8 steps and you are good to go. But when you are setting up your software, if it doesn't activate automatically, then you need to put your product key which comes with your Gear 360, and you will need that, and if you put it in, it will be boom, you will get what you are looking for, and after that you can stitch your photos and videos in it. Even if you turn on your Wi-Fi, it will still work for you. Then you can just import your videos, make a cut, split the videos, do whatever you want, and then you can just export it with your settings as you wish. You can choose any file format as per your preference. You can export them. So this was the video sample in 4K quality, and I'm sure it might be good because I have filmed it in full HD, but I haven't tried the 4K, so it's my first time checking it, and I guess it might have turned out really pretty good. This was a mic test, so I guess you will get an idea of how the mic works. There's a bit of air and some of the traffic, so you might know how noise does it take. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like it, subscribe it, and do press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.